Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wondercome. This channel will bring you the most fundamental and basics of chemistry starting from class 7th onwards. It covers very specific and selected topics in chemistry, applied chemistry and technical chemistry. However, the channel won't be limited only to chemistry but has also aim to extend some more areas such as environment, pollution, recycling, reducing, to name a few. At last but not the least, chemistry is colorful and it makes the world colorful too. You can find its utility and applications everywhere, starting from kitchen to space. So keep watching my video, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.